Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is December 5th, 2024, and we're diving into the second quarter earnings report of Wiley, a global leader in research and learning. Joining us is John, senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. John, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Wiley's latest earnings report provides a fascinating look into their strategic shifts and financial performance, especially with their focus on AI and learning solutions.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Wiley reported a net revenue of $427 million for the second quarter of 2025. John, how does this compare to their previous performance?
Wiley's revenue saw a decline from $493 million last year, primarily due to divested businesses. However, their adjusted revenue at constant currency was $423 million, marking a 3% increase. This growth is driven by strong performance in their learning and research segments.
And what about profitability?
Wiley's operating income increased by 39% to $64 million, and their adjusted EPS rose by 36% to 97. This indicates significant margin improvements and effective cost management despite the revenue dip from divestitures.
Segment performance, research and learning. John, can you break down the performance of Wiley's key segments?
Absolutely. The research segment reported a revenue of $262 million, up 2%, driven by growth in gold open access and institutional models. Meanwhile, the learning segment saw an 8% increase in revenue to $162 million, bolstered by strong performance in professional and academic sectors.
What factors contributed to these results?
In research, the demand for open access and improved solutions offset declines in legacy print. For learning, the growth was fueled by AI licensing and an improved retail environment, particularly in professional learning.
Strategic initiatives and future outlook. Wiley has been making strategic moves, especially in AI. How is this impacting their outlook?
Wiley's AI licensing contributed $4 million this quarter, and they see continued interest from tech companies for their content. This positions them well for future growth. They're also reaffirming their fiscal 2025 outlook, expecting adjusted EPS between $3.25 and 60 cents, driven by revenue growth and cost savings.
And what about shareholder returns?
Wiley has increased its dividend for the 31st consecutive year, reflecting strong cash flow management. They expect free cash flow to reach approximately $125 million, supporting further investments and shareholder returns.
Key takeaways. In summary, Wiley's second quarter results highlight their strategic focus on AI and learning, with strong profitability and shareholder returns. John, any final thoughts?
Wiley is well-positioned for future growth, with solid performance in key segments and strategic initiatives in AI. Their financial discipline and market positioning make them a compelling investment prospect.
Thank you, John, for your insights, and thank you to our viewers for tuning in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Stock Watch. We'd love to hear your thoughts on Wiley's performance in the comments below.